Finally, I received my Joby Telepod Pro Kit, and this is just a quick unboxing video. I'm just gonna quickly unbox it. I heard a lot of good things about it, so let's take a look inside. I heard that it can mount a camera, and it can also mount a cell phone. Let's see what happens. Oh, okay. So this is the guide. With this one here, okay. This is just the mount for the GoPro. Let's have this one in here, and then we have this guy and nothing else. Okay, let's see. Oh, feels good actually. Let me just see. Feels pretty good. Okay, let's figure it out. Show most pro. If you want to mount it somewhere on the floor, I just heard that this one gonna touch the floor or whatever that the surface before the legs. So what you need to do is you just need to adjust it a little bit higher. Take this one, and then this can sit. Okay. Anyway, let's see. This is lock and lock. So let's unlock it. Actually, it was unlocked. So unlock, release, there we go. That's pretty good. This is the highest that it can get. And you see what I mean now? There's nothing down here to stop the legs from just sitting nice and clean. So if we take it down, there we go. It's locked, and then the camera gonna be mounted here. So this is the release for the mount, and then it can be adjusted. There we go. So let's see if we want to just mount the GoPro. And this thing can go on, and then for example the GoPro can be mounted here with the screw, and then you can adjust it. You can adjust the camera itself or the case, and also you can adjust it from here. Yeah, that's pretty good. Oh, thanks for watching. Thank you.